Which nutrient is mainly responsible for repairing body tissues? Protein. Which food is a natural source of probiotics? Yogurt. Which mineral helps in the formation of hemoglobin in blood? Iron. Which cooking oil is considered heart-friendly due to monounsaturated fats? Olive oil. Which vitamin is important for healthy eyesight in low light? Vitamin A. Which food is highest in natural cholesterol? Egg yolk. Which nutrient helps regulate body temperature and fluid balance? Electrolytes. Which grain is naturally gluten-free? Quinoa. Which food is a good plant-based source of protein? Lentils. Which vitamin helps the body absorb calcium efficiently? Vitamin D.